Okay, all of you, good morning. Okay, today again, I'm going to explain you all, from Unit 8. Our topic is effect of deflations. Yesterday we have started deflations. We have learned yesterday concept of deflations, causes of deflations, or we have learned yesterday meaning of deflations. Today I am going to explain you all about effects of deflations. Due to deflations, what type of effects it occurs on economy? Due to deflations, what type of effects it occurs on the economy? That's what I am going to explain you all today. Okay. Okay. All of you. Okay, now I am going to explain from your book. Okay, there are many effects of deflations. Among them, the major effects of deflation are as follows. So, number one point is effect on productions. Effects on productions. The deflation adversely affects the productions. During deflation, the cost of production does not fall as rapidly as the prices of goods and services falls. This results in the loss of producers. Consequently, the producer reduces the production of goods and services, hence production decreases, which will have negative effect on employment and economic growth. Okay, now number one point is what? Effect on productions. Now it is said that during the deflations, the cost of production does not decrease as price decreases. Cost of production does not decrease as what? Price decreases, because here prices decrease more, prices decrease rapidly, but the cost of production will not decrease faster. It may decrease but very less. So due to this, what means the profit margin of the producer gets down, or sometimes what means the producer may also go on loss. So when the producer will go on loss, what means they may decrease productions. They may decrease what? Production of goods and services. So when the producer will decrease production of goods and services, it will directly affect on the employment. Because when the producer will decrease productions, definitely what means few people in the factory or industry will be jobless. Will be what less? Jobless. Their job will be ceased due to this what? Deflations. And what means they'll have what? Bad effect on what? Economic growth. Okay, now our second point. Our second point is effect on distributions. Effect on distributions. Deflation also affects on the distribution of income and wealth. Deflation distributes income and wealth in the favor of the lower and middle classes, and adversely affects the interests of the business person or high classes. During deflations, the fixed income group or wages earned or salaried person gain because the rise in the purchasing power of money. On the other hand, during deflations, traders, business persons, etc. lose due to the falling prices, their income falls. Now it is said that this deflation also affects distributions. Now it is said that during the time of deflations, especially low class people or middle class people, they will have gained. Because due to the decrease in price of the goods and services, their purchasing power will be high. They will have more purchasing power. Although their income level will be fixed, but due to a decrease in price, their what means purchasing power will be high. That will be gain for the middle and low class people. But usually what means the high class people or the producers or the industrialists, traders, business persons, for them it is very danger, or for them it is very big loss. Why? Because the producers or the traders, business person, they will not be able to gain more incomes, or they might go also on loss. They might also go on what? Loss. So it is very harmful for the producers or business person or traders. So in this way, what means it also affects on distributions. And number third points, effects on economic growth and employment. effects on economic growth and employment. There is the adverse effect of deflation on economic growth and employment. Due to the fall in the prices, business profit declines, results in the fall in investment. Due to fall in investment, the production declines, and due to the fall in productions, both income and employment falls. And during deflations, the large proportion of the population remain unemployed and poor. Therefore, deflation is regarded as the worse than inflations due to this adverse effects on production and employment. Okay, now it is said that this deflation also affects on employment and economic growth. Because when there is deflations, when the price of goods and services decreases, then what means? The profit margin of the investor or the producer, trader, business person gets decreased. And what means? There becomes what? Low in investment. Due to low in investment, production also gets declined. They will decrease in productions, and when there will be decrease in production, what means? Many people, they becomes open. Many people, what means? They becomes again jobless. They becomes what? Jobless. Because the producers, to save themselves, they have to decrease the productions. And when production will decrease, when the output level will decrease, definitely what means? Many people will be worthless, jobless. Or the employment rate of the country will decrease. So people will remain what? Jobless. People becomes more poor and poor day by day. In this what means? Deflation also affects employment as well as what? Economic growth rate of the country or economic growth of the country. Okay, now other effects. Okay, beside above mentioned effects, we can point out other effects of inflations, which are as follows. Number one, tax revenue of government falls. Consequently, the government has to face the burden of public debt. Now, on the other side, it says that due to deflation, what means? The collection of tax by the government also decreases. The collection of tax by the government also gets what? Decrease. Because if there is deflations, the profit margin of the business persons, traders gets decreased. There will be low productions. And what means? There will be very less profit. So due to less profit, what means? Tax paid by the business person, traders also will be less. Due to which what means? There will be what? Very less collection of tax by the governments. And the government may go on what? Defeat budget. And to make the budget balance, government also may have to borrow loan from the public. We also have to have what? Public debt. Okay, now second point. Consumer gain due to the falling prices. Yes, definitely what means? When there is deflations, the price of goods and services will be less, and the consumer will consume goods, they will have gain. They will have what? Gain. How? Because their purchasing power will be more. With their less money, they will be able to purchase more goods and services. Banking business suffers due to the fall in the investments. Next thing is that if there is deflations, especially financial institutions like banks or other financial institutions, cooperative organizations, they get more affected. How they get more affected? They get affected due to what means? Less investment by the investors. Because when there is deflations, usually what means? Those persons who like to do new business, who like to start new industry, factory, they doesn't take loan from the bank. The loan amount of the bank is what? Decrease. And if the bank will not be able to provide loan to the loanee or to the traders, business persons, investors, then what means? Bank will not earn any interest. Bank will not earn any what? Interest. The money of bank will remain inside the bank. That money will not give any interest for the bank. Bank will not have any incomes. So in this what means? Deflation also affects banking organizations. Next, both public and private sector business suffers losses. Yeah. So Although it is said that public plus private, both the business they suffers. Yes, because the prices should be low, they will have no more profit, the profit margin will be less, or they may go on loss. So it means they have to suffer. Social and political life of the country gets disturbed. It is said that what? Social and political life of the country also gets what? Disturbs. Yes, people as they live in society, what means they also damage the what? Social harmony. Because due to less economic growth in the nations, due to less economic growth in the society, the harmony of the society also gets disturbed. And political life of the business also what? Political life also of country also gets what? Disturbed. Because country also will be politically affected. Because there will be no business, no investment, no trade, there will be less employment rate, no income for the publics. So what means politically also what means country gets what? Disturbed. Okay, this is for today.